guys, this is the voice of Josh Media. So this morning I'll be trying to teach us quickly how to generate the leads. These are the practical steps on how to generate leads. First thing, you go to your Chrome browser, then search adsmanager.facebook.com. Then it will take you to your ad accounts. If you have preferences, you can choose whichever ad account you want to use. Let's say you have one or two ad accounts, but you don't want to use the first one, and you choose the second one. Very simple. You will just click on this particular site. You can just stand here. You can see a drop down arrow. There is a drop down arrow here. Let me try and zoom in so we all see it. This drop down arrow is what we click, then we see the list of your ad account. Then you click on whichever one you want. Alright, so to save us of our time, I'm teaching us how to generate leads to our WhatsApp DM here. We'll be using lead campaign, but then we'll be generating the leads to WhatsApp. The advantages of generating leads to WhatsApp is actually very simple. Click on create to start. Click on this create. So the advantages of generating leads to WhatsApp gives you cheaper CPO. In most cases, gives you cheaper CPO. Another thing again is the ads is always faster. You understand? All you need to do is just to click on the WhatsApp button. You don't need to fill any form. You don't need to view any landing page. So it's kind of fast. Understand? But sometimes you will be getting some silly leads in between. Let's say you generate 1,000 leads now, understand? And then after the 1,000 leads, you can have 998 good leads, and then but the remaining two to make it 1,000 sometimes can be silly, understand? Because it's a WhatsApp button ads, so anybody can click it anyhow. But if your creative is good, your ads is very good, you can have 1,000 or 1,000%. So we're clicking on leads, understand? And then we'll click on continue as usual. So in the next video, I'll be teaching us how to generate leads using lead form, which is the best currently. Understand? Using lead form is the best currently. But lead form, you will need quite a big budget. Not that you need big budget like that. Let's say you spend 5,000 to generate 100 leads using WhatsApp DM. Understand? You can spend like 7k to generate lead form, and it can also be equal. It's just that in most cases, lead form is slightly higher, and lead form it will give you the best quality. Yes, lead form gives the best quality. So in my next video, I'll teach you how to use the lead form, but currently I'll be teaching us how to run leads from WhatsApp DM. Alright, so first thing, we'll change the campaign name so you can recognize your ad in your Ads Manager app. I'm sure everybody has learned how to use Ads Manager. So you click on, let's say we'll name this ad. Let me name it Rose. Let me name this ad Rose. Sorry, please. I have to look at that. So now you can change this thing to let's move to this side. Budget. You can see campaign budget, and you can see ad set budget. In most cases, I love to use campaign budget. Understand? I'll just fund my account and I allow Facebook to distribute the budget all over. Understand? All over the days. So people use ad set budget, that is, they will fund their accounts, and then they will tell Facebook that you must not spend more than this per day. That's just the difference. Both of them works very well, but I prefer campaign budget. So I will change my daily budget. The reason why I'm changing my daily budget is just to secure a cheaper CPO. Because if you have a very big daily budget like 7,000 naira plus, you are most likely going to get a higher CPO. Not that you don't go and use that 7,000 CPO later. The best thing is just to start with small budget, then increase it later. Do you understand? So let's start with 2,500. You can start with 8,000, but please don't pass 8,005 if you want something meaningful. Okay, so 2,500. Check very well. So once you are done with this, you check this place, all edit saved. Then you move to the next. Excuse me, please. You move to the next ad set this side. So you can click on next from this side. Or you click on next from the ad set. I'll prefer this. Alright, so move to the next ad set. So you allow this thing to load first. Alright, it's loading. I think everybody has learned detailed targeting. If no, because it's possible that I'll place this video before detailed targeting. You'll definitely learn what detailed targeting is and how it's being used, how people use it to generate quality leads. But please, one thing about detailed targeting is detailed targeting comes with a little higher CPO. Yes, note that now. Before you target heavily, know that you are stressing the AI. Understand? You are stressing their machine. The more targeting you have to your heart, the higher the chances of getting a higher CPO. Do you understand? Most times you get a higher CPO. Sometimes people are crazily lucky. Even if you target very, very low, you still get a reasonable CPO. So that's just it. The best thing to do is just to test everything. That's just how ours work. Test every single thing. So now we'll change this one to we'll change it to same name so that I can recognize it. I will change it to Rose again. So we recognize it very, very well. Rose. Sorry, please. I'm having this difficulty this morning. Just want to make this video. Alright, so we'll move to the next thing, which is the conversion. Look at this, please. Conversion. Since we want sorry, please. Since we want ads to DM, you will change this thing from instant form. We're not using form here. We want what? We want messages. You change it to what? You change it to WhatsApp. Look at this side. You change it to what? WhatsApp. Click on that WhatsApp. So you allow this stuff to load. Alright, good. So this is my page. You can see. Let me try and zoom in so you guys see it. This my page is not linked to any WhatsApp yet. That is why you saw that red stuff. You understand how I saw it? But let me choose a page that is linked to a WhatsApp business. So before you run ads to your DM, first note that you have to have a WhatsApp business account. You understand? You have to have a WhatsApp business account. That one. Let me choose this page. That one is the cocoa. If you don't have a WhatsApp business account, you can never ever run ads to your DM. It will not work out. Do you get me? So you need a WhatsApp business. Alright, good. So since I've chosen a page that my WhatsApp is linked to, I will edit the number. I don't want my list to come to this particular number. You can see this is a WhatsApp business number. So I will edit it. I will choose this one. Yes, I think everybody has this number. I will choose this one so that my leads will come to that place. Do you understand what I'm doing all this stuff? So it's not something difficult. Yes. So now another thing again is the performance goal. Let me zoom in so you see it. I actually skipped it the other time. See the performance goal. Maximize number of conversions. Yes, I would advise you put it on this. Maximize number of conversations means that you are bringing leads that are most likely going to speak with you. You make this maximize number of link clicks. Just so that the leads you'll be getting will have lower quality because they're just ones that will just click your ad and they may not respond again. So this is one of the best performance goal. Make sure it is no maximize number of conversions. Let's just check on that one to see if it will click out. The number of conversions is the only performance goal available for this conversion location, right? I think WhatsApp, Meta just updated this stuff. Because normally they will allow you to choose variables, but the best one is maximum number of conversions if you want to generate a good ad. Okay, so we'll be moving on to what does DSD for these ones. Sorry, I would like to do small work here. I'm still trying to find because I want to edit gender. Yes, good. I want to edit gender, so I'll click on this gender and then I'll put to women alone because this ads I'm doing is actually a chatting app ads like that, so it's usually for women. So this age I always leave it. You will watch what the targeting means, so you will know how to target and who to target. Okay, so I'll just leave this one to women, and then placement. You can do some little editings in placement, or I feel like let me just leave it. Understand? But then let me do small work. So as to make sure my ads will go to the right place. Okay, so you can see device and operating system. All that is iPhone we see it, Android we see it, systems we see it, that is PC you see it. You can leave that one to all. Then platforms. This is where the real work is. You click on placement. That is where your ads will show. Your ads will show on Facebook, audience network, to show on WhatsApp, to show on WhatsApp status, to show on Instagram feeds and all that. But usually I prefer to use. I think this is okay. Facebook, Instagram, audience, I think it's okay. This WhatsApp, I feel like let me just leave it for now, just to see how it works. Please make sure your own is don't tick threads and don't tick messenger. They are practically useless for this campaign. Do you understand? Not that they are not useful, but for this campaign, you don't need them. So make sure that your thread and messengers are not in a blue tick. You get? So I think this is perfect already. So we'll move to the final ad sets. Yes, we'll click on this particular side. So as usual, we'll begin with changing the campaign name, right? Sorry, changing the ad sets name, not campaign name. Please don't be annoyed with my mobile kata. I'm very, very sorry, please. Alright, so we'll change this one as usual. We'll change it to what? You can remind me. We'll change it to what? I cannot hear you guys. So good. We'll change it to those. This is just for us to remember our campaign. The major reason why we're changing this ad is just to remember our ad campaign. Do you understand? Because if you go to your ads manager app, you will see a lot of ads. So if you don't name them, you are most definitely going to make mistake while trying to edit or do anything, because all of them will look the same thing. Yes, they just look the same thing. That is why we're changing them. Okay. Alright, so the next thing we'll be doing, and you can see WhatsApp phone number, Josh Media. You can see it's already displaying my WhatsApp business account. That is how it is. It's not difficult. So scroll down, single video. You can see format, that is the ad that you want to use. Make sure it is a single image or video, not carousel. We're not doing carousel. I don't do carousel ads. I don't really believe in it. So people say it works out, but the most common, most times, and the most valuable. So here we'll be selecting our creative. You can see add creative. Select and optimize your ad text, media, and enhancements. Alright, so I'll click on set of creative. Since I want to use a video, I'll click on video ad. If you want to use image as your creative, you can use image as a creative. Just click on image ad. But I'm using video, so I'll click on what? Video ad. So here you allow it to load. Sometimes it takes time. You just allow it to load. Maybe I should just pause this video. Let me pause it. Alright, so it has loaded. So if you're running ads for the first time, or you're just in your early days of generating it, I'll advise you click on upload instead. So you also click on upload, it will take you to your media side of your phone, and then you select whichever video you want to use. But then I have a lot of videos on my page already, and one of them is what I want to use for this ad. So I'll just click on okay. Let me put in a video. So you see how it is. So you can see how it's going. Alright, good. So this is this. Then click on done. So the video that we just choose will be rolling here. You can see it's currently on 0%. So once it enters 100%, it will be marked. You see it, the box, something will mark it that is the video is not available. Then you click on next. So it's now in 20%. You can see it here. So you allow it to 100%. And mind you, if your creative is being marked, this you can see all those things. Is to show you that one of the things your creative has does not fully resonate with the ad policies. Do you understand that English? It means one of the things your creative have does not fully align with the ad policy. This one now, the reason why I'm saying this is because of the excessive what's this called? Excessive words on this video. You can see a lot of captions is on this video. If your captions is too much, Facebook will kind of mark that video. So as much as possible, before you are creating the creative, just make sure you read ad policies, know about aspect ratios and all that. All those things will help you. Do you understand? To help you give you the best, and of course to translate into your CPU. All those things will have effect on your CPU. That's what I want to say. They have effect on your CPU. The better your creative, the higher chances of a fair CPU. That's just this. The higher chances of a fair CPU. So why you are creating your creative, be very very meticulous. Be very very meticulous. Okay, so you see one video selected. Come and see it. This is what I mean. One selected, that is, the video is now selected. If your video is wrong, they will not select it. Or they will give you a very very mad CPU to tell you that your video is not good. Because I mean, Facebook can do it sometimes. You accept the video true, but they will give you a very very expensive video. I was once given a CPU 1,140 naira. So that means if I want to generate if I want to generate 100 views, how much will I spend? Calculate it. That's how expensive it was. So that's about 1 million naira also. So you click on trim. After you have done that, you click on trim. Sorry, please. You click on trim, so allow the trim to load. All this side actually you don't really need them. It's just to pass through. Because if you don't pass through all these things, your video might not really get ready. So this trim is not really useful, but you have to pass through it, and it's currently loading. I don't usually use it. If I want to edit my video, I rather edit it before bringing it to my ads manager. So this place is just to edit video, do some copies and all that. But since I'm not using PC, it's kind of difficult to operate it here. Those that use PC can actually do that. So let us move to crop. Alright, so I will still leave that one too. Then this text is the next most important stuff. Let's go back. Text. Text is where you hard your words, is where you hard your hard copy. I'm sure everybody knows what hard copy is now. Okay? Another thing again is I will do a little work because there is something called default message. Default message is what your leads will be coming to your DM with. I will go and edit it now so you see how it is. So this is our hard copy. I'll paste it up. You see how hard copy is. Alright guys, welcome back. So I will click on my clipboard to paste my hard copy. You get, so that is how it is. So for this text side, primary text, you paste your hard copy. For this headline, chat with us is actually very good. You can edit yours, but I would like to leave mine this way. For description, I don't want to put anything because I don't want this ad to be too clustered. So I will leave it that way because if your ad is too complicated, it's gonna be something. So now what we'll do next is what we'll go and edit the default message you'll be coming with. Do you understand? They'll be coming to one particular default message, so we'll go and edit that. So this thing is currently loading. I'm going to just pause the video so to save us some time and all that. Now this thing is a site, so it will take time to load all that. So here, this is my creative. This is my creative loading here. You can see the app. Let me delete. Alright, so here is where we're doing the work because I told you guys we'll be editing a particular default message. So here is where we'll be doing it. You can see they will come with what? Prefilled message. Hello, can I get more info on this? Like what they will be coming with. So you can edit your own to suit your ads. Do you understand? Basically, you are sending them to a WhatsApp group, you are sending them to a landing page or a site or anywhere. You can edit it based on the things you want. Okay, so I'll just edit this one out. So you see, these are I told you the other time it's about the chatting apps. I will show you how to edit it so it fits to exactly what you want. Let me edit and see. Let's just okay, so let's say hello, can I get more info on this? Hello, can I get more info on how English on how this cheating is? Works. So another thing again is your message must not pass 80 letters. You can see 50 to about 80 is what I've used. So hello, can I get someone for this setting up? I think this is very good. So I will just zoom out, then I will click on save. You can save there. I'll click on save. You will save it too. Then click on save. So each lead that clicks on your ad will come into your DM with this particular word. So maybe you'll be using automation, maybe you'll be replying them manually. That's on you. So from there you can pick them up. Understand? If you're into DM marketing, so I use DM marketing, they would love this kind of ads. But most times I don't usually use this DM ads, because one thing about DM ads is you must just be online. Do you get me? You just have to be online. Because you're not online, let's say you run an advertisement and then by 12 a.m. your ad started delivering. Then I came online like 10 a.m. in the morning. You can see as much as 100 DMs. And then to reply to 100 DMs may be very, very tasking. Do you get? So that's one thing about DM. That's one of the demerits of DM ads. But anyways, the merits compared with the demerits is bigger. Do you get? That's more advantage than disadvantage. Even the lead form I'm talking about also has some disadvantages. Yes, but I'll speak about all those ones later when I'm talking about when I'm talking about the ads itself. I think our advertisement is now fully ready. Do you understand how I did everything? And please, before you click on publish, make sure this thing is on all edits saved. Come and see all edits saved, or else your ad will not be published. It will be published. This is what I'm talking about. All edits saved. Do you get? So now if you want to click on publish, our ad is ready. Click on publish. So with this is how to run the lead to WhatsApp DM. Do you understand? That is how it is. Multiple item published. This is to tell you that our ad is now processing. So in the next, let's say in the next 8 hours or 7 hours, it should start delivering. Not even up to that sometimes, it depends. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you do your personal research. Make sure you experiment. Do not forget your A/B testing before running ads. Make sure you know who to target, how to target, and what you're targeting them for. Make sure you work on your hard copy and all that. Very, very important. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you. It's still new, social media.